Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Vanessa V, with another BoxyCharm unboxing. That sounded so fake, but I'm gonna go with it. So I'm actually behind on my unboxings, and part of the reason, okay, let me just tell you. There's a couple of reasons why I'm behind. One is I've had so much stress in my life and I have not had time for videos. So I guess there's like three things actually. Okay, but even if that wasn't an excuse, like I can't film guys because I'm feeling really stressed in my life. BoxyCharm actually sent out the boxes a lot later than they typically do. Normally I get my BoxyCharm like on the 14th or the 15th of every month or so. And this month I did not get it till like the 20 something. So it was the end of the month. That being said as well, you guys wouldn't have wanted me to film a video. I'm going to be really honest with you. Like, for the past few weeks, I've been looking like Quasimodo's sister, long lost sister, the one who got left in the bell tower. Because my eyes were like taking turns, like getting styes. Like I had 2 styes in this eye for like a few days, and just when those were going away, all of a sudden this one had a sty. And it took me a while to discover why I was getting styes, but I'm pretty sure that I was getting styes due to some makeup cleansing wipes that I was using. Super tragic. But I overcame my Quasimodo days, and here I am. So those are the reasons why I haven't been around. So I'm going to go ahead and show you my box. I've actually already got into this box, and I'm going to be opening it for you guys today. So for the month of, what month are we in? March, the theme was La Vie en Rose, maybe is how you say that? Okay, so the first thing that's right here on my box that I see is another Wander Beauty product. In all honesty, I don't think I've ever really given them a fair chance. They just seem like some indie brand that's trying to like take off. Take off. And oddly enough, their product's titled Lift Off this month. Maybe that's why I said take off. But this month, they gave us a Wander Beauty Lift Up Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. This is the product. It looks like a little pearlish pink color. I'll put some on my finger just so that you guys can see it. Kind of goes clear in a minute. I guess I'll peel it off. The next product that I have in here is, and I told you I already got into it, so I did get into these, are the Moda Powder and Soft Glow brushes. And these were actually prettier than I thought, because they just look like a pinkish color. And when I actually pulled them out, oh yeah, I did. They're very shiny. Look how pretty they are. Very shiny pinky color. And this is a nice synthetic. Looks like, feels like a, probably use it for highlighting. And then we have a powder brush, which is a little dirty because I've already gotten into it. There. The next product I have in here, I also got into. I scraped it up with just the other day when I actually tried to film this, but I was looking all kinds of crazy. Like, if you think I look crazy right now, this is the good version of me. This is the good version of me. Because the other one was not to be seen. Y'all didn't want to see that. Okay, so anyways, the next product I have is this. It looks kind of twisty, and it has fingerprints all on it, and that's my bad because I couldn't wait for this. It's the Manakadar Beauty Bloom Volumizing Mascara. So that's what it looks like. We'll see if it focuses on it. Okay, and you open it up and the wand looks like this, which I thought was very different. It almost kind of looks like it has fibers in it. I just don't think it does. Manicadar Bloom Mascara. Manicadar's Bloom Mascara delivers an intense lengthening and volumizing effect to your lashes. They do look cute with it. Its cruelty-free formula has a built-in primer and makes sure it grabs those hard-to-reach lashes. Like I can't talk. The round tip works to ensure an easy application without leaving any clumps behind. Moving on. The next product I actually got one like this, but in a different color a couple of boxes ago, and I actually really did like it a lot. The Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. And I got it in the color Monaco. And it says, Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick is one step full lip color that does not feather. These vibrant colors will give you a vivacious new look. They are creamy and soft in texture, moisturizing the lips and creating a long-lasting lipstick effect. No need to use lip liner. This liquid lipstick gives a beautiful edge to your lip look. So, I think I have chapstick on, but we're going to go ahead and try this out. Because I actually did like the other color that I got, so we're going to try this out. I think the only thing I don't like about this is the applicator. Come on. Let's get a better applicator, Ofra. Alright, and last but not least, I got the Cover FX Perfector Face Palette. And I got it in the shade Light Medium. I'm going to go ahead and open it. And I did get into this because I filmed a video. It was not good. I'm refilming. So it comes with a highlighter, a contour, what does that say? Finishing powder, a brightener up on top. And over here on this side I have a blush and another highlighter. So I don't have any bronzer on my face or highlighter or blush. I actually don't have much on. So I'm going to be using this palette right now, and I think I'm gonna use the Moda brushes, or the Moda. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. Okay, girl, come to life. Come to life, queen. I feel like literally I'm being revived. Like, bitch was looking weird. Look how just a little bit of bronzer can do you right. Those of you who don't bronze, don't contour, girl, are you even living? Are you even living? And that was the Cover FX Perfector Face Palette. Overall, I really enjoyed this box. Oh, I'm such a loser. Okay, so let me tell you how much everything costed. The first thing I brought up was the Wander Beauty Peel Off Mask. And that, what? Where is this being sold at? $34. It's 2.02 ounces for $34. Girl, I don't even know who you are. Go somewhere. The next thing I talked about was the Moda brushes. Here are the Moda brushes. It's a 2-pack. They retail for $29.99. Am I crazy, or is this brand at Walmart? Comment down below, because I think that's crazy. $29.99. I'm like 90% positive I saw this brand at Walmart. Y'all tell me, did we see it at Walmart? I think we did. Man, why are they trying to be all expensive this month? Like, why are you tripping? The next product I think I mentioned was the Manakadar Blue Mascara. This is $29. These are all brands I've never heard before. $29. It's kind of pricey for my blood. The next one is the Ophir Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. One of the only known brands in this bundle. And it's $20. I think that's kind of normal for liquid lipstick. And lastly, we have the Cover FX Perfector Face Palette in the shade Light Medium. And this is $45. Alright guys, so that was my March BoxyCharm unboxing. Comment down below if you got something other than me. Also about the Moda brand. If you're seeing it at Walmart and you think it's crazy that they're charging $29 for toothbrushes, let me know down below. I think that's it. Love you guys. Bye.